Hello there everyone, this is Eldon. This is very informal. It's not what I had planned for today, but I've had technical issues with the recording process and the editing process. My throat is a little hoarse because honestly I've been swearing. The art side of things, which is really what I wanted to do today. This is my first attempt. I decided to do a nature scene today that was suggested to me by David in the comments from the last video. Thank you very much, David. And I thought, well, you know, I'm familiar with obviously doing a lot of nature paintings, so I thought that's content I'm comfortable with. I'm new with the pens and whatnot, so I thought I'd do that and reduce the number of variables. This one, it was okay, but I was trying to treat it like watercolor, so it didn't come out very well. So I think I did the right thing. I stopped because I wasn't happy with the way things were going. Instead of getting frustrated with that one, I just stopped it and I said, you know what? I got 30 pieces of paper. I'll go use another one. So that's what I did. And so this is the one I did next, and it came out a lot better. I think it's there's still room for improvement. I still have this desire to use the pens like watercolor, which they're not. So to me it's a limitation, probably more of my limitation than the materials. But anyways, so it came out well. I'm going to show you that so you don't have to just look at my face. So it came out pretty nice. I'm happy with it. It's good. So I think I tried to do a bit too much detail. So tomorrow I'm going to try and aim for a simpler design, something a little more my vocabulary is lost. The vocabulary I've been using has not been good today. Club soda. I'm going to try and aim for a design tomorrow that's more, geez, my brain is just not working, I'm sorry. Something more simple. We'll leave it at that. So, yeah, sorry I don't have a better video for you today. It didn't work out. And I'm trying to do one a day, so I've got to, you know, just like this, I got to cut my losses and aim for the next one. So, with that said, I hope this video is to your liking. I won't ask for a thumbs up because it's just an update video, but words of encouragement in the comments section below, I'd love that. If you're new to the channel, I would like to think that I do better videos than this, so you know, look through some of the other videos that I have on offer, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you've had a far better day than I have, and I hope that you'll tune in tomorrow for the next one, and hopefully it'll be better. So anyways, with that, thank you and have a good evening. Goodbye.